Well, here we are at CloudWorld. So your first CloudWorld, like your first Oracle conference. So kind of interesting as the generations turn. So what are your impressions?
I mean, it's been great. I obviously don't have the reference point of last year as you do, but you said it's been humming in relation to that, and just in general, it's been humming in relation to kind of anything else that we've seen on sort of recent conference
Yeah,
stores.
really at this venue like that. It's certainly the most humming conference that we've been to.
By quite a distance. Yeah. Oracle also seems to remain pretty solidly bullish on AI. I know there's sort of been some how much have we overbet on this AI bubble, but I think Oracle's not worried by that. They've integrated it into everything, and they're pretty bullish on how much potential that has.
It's been very interesting. Like for me, watching it, it's pervasive, it's everywhere, but it's also like incremental. That they've not like thrown everything out and gone, oh no, we're going to start with AI. It's like this is how you like build it onto processes that we were already automating. So that it's been kind of interesting from that perspective. For sure.
Yeah. I mean, there's also a huge breadth of Oracle's partners, and I think they're pretty keen to sort of get that out in the open. And,
yeah. I certainly get the feeling of like the ecosystem, like this Oracle is the dominant sort of presence here, obviously, but like the ecosystem of the partners certainly is like everywhere, woven into the fabric.
Yeah, and the Oracle seems pretty keen to lean into that. And then just Oracle being a technology analytics company, but it really seems to want to emphasize the apps focus. So,
I sort of get that sense here that like even on the technology things, it's kind of the woven in. Like I've said, woven a number of times. It's like woven into the applications and offerings in a manner that is different from previous conferences that I've been at from Oracle, where you've got that two different communities, but it seems that the communities have mingled.
Absolutely, yeah.
Right. So, thank you very much. Hope it was fun for you.
Absolutely.